Yes, good morning, students. Come back again of the chapter number 2. Today, this video, we will discuss on the British conquer Bengal. Yes, dear students, from before Sirajuddaula, Alivardi Khan was the ruler of Bengal. He was very strict and experienced ruler of Bengal. Today is the topic of British conquer Bengal. How can you say the British conquer the Bengal? So we will coming on this topic when Alivardi Khan has ruled all over Bengal 1740 to 1756. After the death of Alivardi Khan, सिराजुद्दौला, सिराज के नाम से इतिहास में मशहूर है, सिराजुद्दौला became the ruler of Bengal, but he was a non-experienced ruler. But slowly he has learned how to capture the region, how can rule over the kingdom. He knew very well. Now, the British conquer Bengal. It was the important role of Alivardi Khan, and then after Sirajuddaulah, and then after some role of this we will discuss at later. So the British conquer Bengal when it was two battle in Indian history. That is very, very important. The battles are the Battle of Plassey, and the Battle of Buxar. पलासी का युद्ध और बक्सर का युद्ध. तो सबसे पहले we are discussing in about that the Battle of Plassey. It is very, very important in Indian history. The Battle of Plassey was fought between the Sirajuddaulah and their army versus the British East India Company, you can say. In like this year, the Battle of Plassey was established in 1757, and it was the place of Calcutta and Moor. And like this, now this present time is it is known as Kolkata. Okay, so that's Calcutta. Calcutta was a place where that was assigned the Battle of Plassey. Now we will discuss about that fight against the East India Company versus Sirajuddaulah and their armies. So I am staying sometimes like this. I want to denote three personalities of Battle of Plassey. First, Mir Jafar. Second, Mir Qasim. Third, Sirajuddaulah or Jagat Seth. So Firstly, I will describe in Hindi because some students are saying that sir you are not using Hindi language. So I am describing. History is not a boring subject. You want to understand very well, so that you have to learn like a story. तो मैं आ रहा हूँ पलासी का युद्ध, द बैटल ऑफ पलासी। द बैटल ऑफ पलासी में क्या हुआ कि बंगाल का नवाब सिराजुद्दौला, जब अंग्रेज़ों ने इनसे कहा कि हम आपके कलकत्ता में जो है ट्रेड करना चाहते हैं और इसके लिए आपकी परमिशन की नितांत आवश्यकता है। सो दैट्स नवाब सिराजुद्दौला he had given the permission to set up their trade in India, like this in Calcutta. So, but the British, yani like this you can say East India Company was involving in political decision of the Nawab of Bengal Sirajuddaulah. That's why Sirajuddaulah had given a ultimatum to the East India Company, don't involve in my private matter, don't involve in my political matter, understand? That's why Sirajuddaulah has taken a big step. He reached with 30,000 soldiers in Mir Kashim Bazaar. यानी like this you can say सिराजुद्दौला अपने 30,000 सैनिकों के साथ कासिम बाजार में गया और there office of East India Company they captured all persons who was doing the work of East India Company, so that they were arrested by the army of Sirajuddaulah. That's why the East India Company was in stress and they wanted to think that we will kill the Sirajuddaulah. So that's they have taken a step. Their commander of army Mir Jafar, they called Mir Jafar and said to that if you want to become a king of Calcutta, king of Bengal, so that you have to do the work in the favor of me. That's why Mir Jafar was agree and Mir Jafar betrayed from the Nawab of Bengal Sirajuddaulah, and in the Battle of Palasi, Sirajuddaulah was defeated by the East India Company and killed. Second thing, it was the reason Jagat Seth was the richest person in that kingdom of Sirajuddaulah. So that's Jagat Seth was showing the negotiable things. That's why economical condition was very bad. So Jagat Seth, whenever Jagat Seth had taken back his arms from the favor of Sirajuddaulah, that's why Sirajuddaulla's economical condition was not good, and here Mir Jafar was betrayed, so that Sirajuddaulah was defeated by the East India Company, and he defeated. Results, what were the results of the Battle of Plassey? So that you can say Sirajuddaulah defeated and killed. इसका परिणाम यह हुआ, इसका रिजल्ट ये हुआ बैटल ऑफ प्लासी का, सिराजुद्दौला was dead and defeated. Second thing, he gifted large sum of 24 paraganas when after the death of Sirajuddaulah, East India Company given the crown of Bengal to the Mir Jafar, and when Mir Jafar became the Nawab of Bengal, so that Mir Jafar gifted large sum of 24 paraganas of Bengal to the British, and Mir Jafar could not fulfill the constant demands of the British and made Mir Qasim the Nawab of Bengal. Yani like this, the Battle of Plassey, after some times, whenever Mir Jafar was not fulfilling the requirements of the British, like the East India Company, that's why the East India Company removed from the rank of Nawab of Bengal. That's why his son-in-law Mir Qasim became the Nawab of Bengal, and the East India Company was benefited from Mir Qasim, and Mir Qasim was fulfilling his requirements and to set up their throne. We will discuss in next video. Thank you so much. Good morning, students. Come back again to this period for the chapter number 2. Chapter is establishing the company power. I have described in previous classes that what was the conditions of the many traders who have tried very well in Indian market to gain the profit, gain the good wealth and prosperity from Indian market. Now I am coming, the topic is, today's topic is the Battle of Buxar. Battle of Buxar, you know very well that the Battle of Buxar is very, very important in Indian history. That we will discuss in about that after the Battle of Plassey. After the Battle of Plassey, it was held in 1764. That name was the Battle of Buxar. Now, fought between Hector Munro, who was the general of East India Company, and versus Mughal Emperor Shah Alam II, and Awadh Nawab Sirajuddaulah, and Nawab of Bengal Mir Qasim. So that's three parties in one side, and one party is Hector Munro's and their soldiers. And like this, two teams are there and they are fighting against between. So that's जब बक्सर का युद्ध इतिहास में एक अहम छाप छोड़ चुका है। जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं, बक्सर का युद्ध पलासी के युद्ध, यानी पलासी का युद्ध 1757 ईस्वी में हुआ था, और इसके बाद जो हुआ बक्सर का युद्ध हुआ था 1764 ईस्वी में, और इसका एक प्लेस का नाम है बक्सर। बक्सर जो कि बिहार राज्य में स्थित है। बिहार एक प्राचीन स्टेट के रूप में भी जाना जाता है, जहाँ मगध जैसे विश्वविद्यालय आज, तक्षशिला जैसे विश्वविद्यालय आज भी जो है वहाँ हैं। तो आइए हम आपको ले चलते हैं the Battle of Buxar. It was held in 1764. Thank you so much. Yes. So dear students, the Battle of Buxar. The Battle of Buxar was held in 1764. हेक्टर मुनरो और इधर दूसरी जो टीम थी मुगल एम्परर शाह आलम II, अवध नवाब सुजाउद्दौला एंड नवाब ऑफ बंगाल मीर कासिम. तो ये तीनों ने, ये याद रखेंगे सुजाउद्दौला है, सिराजुद्दौला नहीं है. तो ये दे हैव फाइट अगेंस्ट हेक्टर मुनरो. रिजल्ट क्या था कि मीर कासिम वाज एक्सपेल्ड फ्रॉम बंगाल. मीर कासिम को अंग्रेजों ने बंगाल के नवाब से हटा दिया था, रिमूव कर दिया था. मीर जाफर वाज री इंस्टॉल्ड एट द नवाब ऑफ बंगाल. मीर जाफर को बंगाल का नवाब घोषित किया गया था और फिर से मीर जाफर को बंगाल का नवाब बना दिया गया था. और मीर जाफर जब बंगाल का नवाब बना तो मीर कासिम को हटना पड़ा था. और ये सबसे बड़ा रिजल्ट रहा है, क्योंकि अंग्रेजों ने जब देखा कि मीर कासिम हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट को फुलफिल नहीं कर पा रहा, दैट्स व्हाई ही हैज़ टेकन डिसीजन, यानी लाइक दिस ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी हैज़ टेकन डिसीजन फॉर दिस. एंड इन 1675 सुजाउद्दौला एंड शाह आलम II signed the Treaty of Allahabad with EIEC. यानी लाइक दिस, आफ्टर this battle, the Battle of Buxar, was held in 1764, and the result was that all are defeated by Hector Munro, and East India Company was victory is the Battle of Buxar. Understand? Now, after this victory, it was a good treaty of Allahabad, that it was decided that Nawab of Bengal, Mughal Emperor and Awadh Nawab, they will give the fulfill who has destroyed wealth in the Battle of Buxar. 50 lakhs, and Mir Qasim will give 25 lakhs, and Mughal Emperor Shah Alam, they will give much wealth for the fulfill who has destroyed the wealth in the Battle of Buxar. So dear students, in this lesson you have knew very well that the Battle of Buxar, the Battle of Plassey, and what was the condition of East India Company, how they settle in Indian market, and they have established their countries, and they ruled all over country in 200 years. You can say 200 साल तक अंग्रेजों ने पूरे भारत में अपना प्रभुत्व जमाए रखा और हमारे इंडियन ट्रेजरी को बहुत ही तरीके से रूल किया. भारत जो कि एक सोने की चिड़िया कही जाने वाली एक देश था, वो जो है, वो चिड़िया जो है उन अंग्रेजों का शिकार हो गई थी और यहाँ से काफ़ी हीरे जवाहरात, यहाँ के जो इम्पोर्टेंट जो चीज़ें थी यहाँ से दे हैव लूटेड वेरी वेल, एंड दे सेंड टू द लंडन, in like this they sent to England country. Understand? So dear students, you can say it was very harmful for us in Indian history because they looted very well. So in this chapter they establishing the company power, यानी like this कंपनी की जो शक्ति की स्थापना कैसे हुई थी, ये मैंने पूरा डिटेल में समझाया है। आपको ऐसे ही इसको लर्न करना है। थैंक यू सो मच। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में। थैंक यू सो मच।